so here we go. First question is actually from Ali Bakari. So Ali says, that's what we need for that. Ali says, can I have FBA and FBM, so fulfilled by Amazon and fulfilled by merchant, as an option on an ASIN? So if you're selling something on Amazon, you get what's called an ASIN, which stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number. Just like these have got an ASIN here, look. That's the ASIN right there, begins with B. Like that. That's our ASIN right there. So you get that, and so the question is, on that same ASIN, can you sell both FBA and FBM? And it's a really good question, because right now, you guys are probably aware there's a lot of shit going down with Amazon as far as getting our products into Amazon's warehouses, and the amount of time that that's taking for the products to get checked in and stuff like that. And also, of course, with regards to the new inventory level restrictions that Amazon have put in place. So it becomes a very, very good idea to have a backup plan, to have a plan B, and that's to have some of your stock fulfilled by merchants or in a third-party logistics company, okay? So it's a very prescient, very, very good question. And it's something I don't think I've ever covered before. And the answer to it is very, very simple. Yes, you can. I could have saved all of that time by just giving you the answer. Yes, you can. And you're probably thinking, how the hell do I do that? Well, there's two ways you can do it. A shit way, which is to create another listing. You don't want to do that. That's not a good idea. Or you can create what's called, if I come over here, come on, which one do you want to do? This one. If I just go into the drop-down menu and we add another condition, so just go to the drop-down menu, add another condition, and that will bring up this particular thing here. And all you want to do is create a new SKU for your product. And what I tend to do for my SKUs is, let's suppose, I don't know, your SKU is ASIN followed by month. This is just what I do. Followed by year. That tends to be what I do for my SKUs, okay? So ASIN number followed by the month it arrived in Amazon's warehouses, followed by the year as well. And I do that for stock rotation, okay? So if you've ever wondered how the hell do you rotate stock on Amazon, if you're selling fresh stuff, that's how you do it. You create a new SKU, and then you just sell the correct SKU until you run out of stock, and then you move to the next SKU. Anyway, so you just set up a new SKU, and then one more dash, and it can be either FBM or FBA. In this case, he's already selling FBA on that particular listing, so let's call it FBM. And I will ship this myself, blah, blah, blah. Standard price, selling price, quantity, yada, 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 whatever that is. Save and finish, and then you've created yourself a new SKU on the same product, and then you can sell and put stock in virtually, of course, into your third-party logistics based on your new product SKU. But it all runs on the same ASIN. I know that's a little bit confusing, but that's the way that Amazon treats it, okay? Super easy to do. Dead easy. A SKU is just your own internal identification for a particular product, okay? That's all it is. So Amazon's got theirs, which is the ASIN number, and you have yours, which is the SKU number.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below, and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.